Hi, my name is Caitlin and I'm from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And I came to this retreat kind of with more of a curiosity. I had done a 2-day workshop with Camila and Akai back in September, and then I heard about Ray, the 10-day process, and it was just something I was immediately called to. I knew I had to be here, and I wasn't sure why. I really didn't know what I was getting into at all, but kind of went into it with an open mind. And I have to say that this process has completely changed my life in more ways than I could have ever imagined. It's profound. You know, I feel like I've been addicted to food for my whole life and had really disordered eating habits, and of course that all ties in you know, to the emotional part of it. And I've done lots of juice fasting and fasting over the years, and I've been vegan and all these things, but I still had this really deeply embedded emotional kind of addiction with food. And I really feel like this process, I've broken through so much of that, you know, and a lot of it was in the 4-day dry fast, just really stepping back, you know, from food completely. I really feel like I've been able to break so much of that habit, that addiction, and I feel liberated, you know. I feel free. I feel like chains have like dropped, you know. I didn't realize how much I was in a prison in many ways. So yeah, this process has been the most life-changing experience of my entire life. And the people here are like family. Like you can do anything you want. You're like, everyone accepts each other, and you can just feel the love radiating between us. And it's just so beautiful to be in this environment, and this, it's like a capsule of love, you know. It's so amazing, and I feel like so excited for my future. And not only excited for my future, but I feel like I've been able to access this immense gratitude, like for my whole life, my past. I'm so grateful for the life that I've had, and I wasn't really able to see it before, but now just this, I feel like this gratitude is just flowing through me effortlessly, you know. Once you get rid of all these obstructions and addictions and programs and conditionings, like the gratitude is here, the love is already here. We just have to remove, you know, what's blocking it. And so I can't say enough. Ray is amazing. I couldn't ask for a better teacher. He's just lighting the way, you know, for us. And now we will go out individually and light the way for others. And whew, getting chills. This is the way it happens, you know. The light just spreads. So yeah, I can't say enough. I don't feel hungry. I don't feel thirsty. I'm enjoying the juice. Being back on diluted juice is just amazing. It's been like 3 days now since we broke the fast, and yeah, it's just, life is amazing, and I'm just really excited. I'm really excited to be a human on this planet, and I have this like newly lit spark within me, this motivation, this passion, you know, to help humanity and to share like my light and my love. And yeah, I'm so grateful, and I can't say enough. So thank you, and I highly recommend this process to anybody who is interested.